So somebody throws some beans, and this is not cooked beans. So this kind of beans will actually kill the animals because it's not cooked. Unless you cooked it, it's safe to feed the wildlife, the swans especially, and the ducks. So if they will eat it, it will just finish them off, because that is toxic. When you don't cook the beans, any type of beans, you need to cook it before you can feed it to the wildlife, especially the swans, the birds. This is toxic. So I don't know. This place is terrible. That's all I can say. Look at that. I don't understand, people.